In this video I will show you how to edit frozen preset using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. You can easily download this preset from the link in the description by using password that appears in the upper right corner as a card. So let's start editing. First go to Light plus 0.25 for exposure. Contrast to plus 10. Highlights bring to minus 100. Shadows to plus 60. White to minus 100. And black to minus 12. Go to curve and follows the steps. And done. Next go to color. Temperature to plus 6. Tint to plus 2. Plus 100 for vibrance. And saturation to minus 40. Go to color mix. First go to orange. Hue to minus 10. And luminance to plus 30. Next go to yellow. Saturation to minus 100. And luminance to plus 5. Next go to green. Hue to plus 100. Saturation to minus 90. And luminance to plus 100. Next go to aqua. Hue to plus 100. Saturation to minus 90. And luminance to plus 50. Next go to blue. Hue to minus 30. Saturation to minus 60. and luminance to +20. Next, go to purple. Saturation to -100. And next, go to magenta. Saturation to -40. And done. Next, go to effects. Texture to -8. Clarity to +40. Vignette to -5. And feather to +100. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 240 and saturation to 28 of highlights. And hue to 182 and saturation to 5 of shadows. And balance to -30. And done. Next, go to details. Sharpening to +25. And noise reduction to 8. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe and like.